welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for a Wednesday summer night's pour. I am taking us back to the movies. Tonight I am doing a pour with the theme in mind of the movie Sister Act. We just went to see the Sister Act play here in my local town. It was really, really cute. So I thought I would use the movie to do the pour today. So today I want to do a double ring pour. And then I'm going to use two colors and cell activator to swipe through. So we're very minimalistic on the colors. Very excited about it. So let's get down on the canvas to get started. I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so welcome back. I've got me a 24 by 24 deep edge gallery wrap canvas. I'm going simplistic today, so I'm only using 4 colors. I'm going to do like a monotone ring pour. I'm going to do 2. And I am using my Napthol red from Amsterdam. And I'm using DecoArt 24 karat gold as my 2 colors. And then of course I'm gonna have my black and white as my ring pours. And I'm gonna just use those 2 colors and I'm gonna swipe through the painting. Again, taking that color palette from Sister Act. Okay, let's get started here. I'm gonna just lay these right here in the center. I'm gonna load them up with some black here. And we'll just alternate back and forth. We went to go see the Sister Act play here in my local theater, playhouse, and it was really fun. I will say the only thing I had disappointment in is I was kind of hoping they were going to use the music from the movie, because who doesn't know all the music from the movie? So what I wanted to do is like sit there and sing and woo-woo. And I mean, I had a good old time. We woo-wooed, but we didn't get to sing along because we didn't know the songs that was in the play. I'm only going to need 21 ounces of paint. These are 16 ounce cups. I am filling them up. Much more paint than I need. So I've got plenty to work with. And then what I'm going to do is do these in ring pours, and then I'm going to lay out the red and the gold, and I'm going to use my cell activator to swipe through them. If you get the chance to go and see the play, you will like it for sure, especially if you love the movie. All right, so let's see here. I'm going to put, I think I'm going to put them more in the corner here. So let's do one here. All right. It really does not matter how you do these ring pours. It doesn't have to be super fancy because we're going to swipe right through them. All right, we'll do the other one right here. Put some gold. I'm just going to swipe right on through the center. This is my white cell activator. Start on the edge, press lightly, just drag this right on through here. That's beautiful. This next one, I'm going to start over here and bring this way. I'm going to do this other little side here. Okay, now I'm just going to put down some flow extender here. We're just going to move this around, stretch it out, see what we get. bring this back. If I can. All right, gonna leave it here. Got lots of the gold and the red. Got some really cool eyeballs. And when I bring you down for a close-up, you'll see I got a little white with like a black eyeball there. Got one there too. Got some over here, really, really cool. I like the lacing and everything that's happening through here. Really cool. All right, I'm gonna touch up my sides and edges and then I'll bring you guys down. All right, here we are with the wet result. Got some wild shapes, crazy lacing. There's that little eyeball. Pretty cool. Okay everyone, that is it for the video. So thanks for watching. As usual, this painting is not dry. I refuse to turn the heat on in the studio to make it dry faster. So I'm just dealing with the humidity and it taking forever. But this is the painting from last week that I did, or excuse me, the week before last. This was my Pink Ladies painting from Grease 2. So it dried really, really well. Put some gloss varnish on that bad boy and it'll be ready to go. So excited about it. But this one's drying really nice. Once this gets dry, probably I'll put it in the video for this coming Sunday. And I think I owe you some dried results for a couple other paintings too. So let me figure out where I put them and then we'll go that way. So you'll be able to see those dried results on Sunday as well. Anyways, blah, blah, blah. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great rest of your week and I'll see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.